What does I believe in God mean? Nothing. Words themselves are inherently meaningless. Meaning is the application of learned beliefs, customs, and traditions projected onto people, situations, and things. All meaning is applied, and because it's applied, it's subjective. And because it's subjective, no meaning inherently exists. The statement, I believe in God, is simply a sentence containing 4 words to which the words have been given meaning by the person making the claim. Only the person has the ability to attach meaning to those words. So the statement, I believe in God, is completely meaningless except to the person stating the claim. Even if another person claims to have that exact same belief, their culture, upbringing, and childhood dictates a personal perspective of that belief that makes it inherently specific to that person and no one else. No 2 people share the exact same beliefs. Beliefs are claimed convictions without direct experience of the claim, which makes beliefs fundamentally vulnerable. They change at the risk of bad weather, job loss, death, or a snide comment. Beliefs are protection mechanisms inherited through cultural and family traditions, passed down as a rite of passage, a promise that when challenged or questioned, dissolves. All beliefs fall prey to scrutiny, and for good reason. You are constantly evolving, and with that evolution comes the necessary shedding of old ideas and perspectives to make way for new beliefs to serve your current stage of growth, to keep you moving forward. And since evolution is constant change, you are always shedding and creating new ideas. You are always getting a new perspective. You are always getting new opinions, and you are always getting new beliefs. All words are inherently meaningless in order to be malleable and useful for everyone. Words don't discriminate. Words are available to all for any reason and any time for any purpose. Words are inherently free. All claimed belief in God is only as meaningful as the person saying it needs it to be for their understanding. Each person has just as much right as the next to express themselves as they choose. Be generous in accepting that all beliefs exist as a contribution to the whole, not as a weapon to dominate and control. I believe in you. Live deliberately. Namaste.